Yeah! Dude, the road is officially washed out. Woo! Look! This is right next to Tom Lockerby's, dude. It's coming in here. There's house parts, as you just saw. Look at this, dude. There's trees. There's fucking sewage pipes. There's everything, dude. It is coming across. And this is the Saxtons River. There's a shed out there. Not moved yet. Luckily, trees everywhere. Yo, we are going into the eye of the storm. There's no crossing this, guys.
Look at all his firewood.
This is Tom Lockerby's firewood. Everybody get in this video. There's firewood all over the road. Dude. There's RJ, Logan, Mitchell, Dylan throwing shit. We're walking up to it. It's 3 feet deep, dude, and there's something down there by the sign. We can't quite see it. And it's coming up like the ocean waves, dude. Seriously, this is the Saxtons River. There's dirt all the way across the road. Mitchell is attempting to walk across. We got waves. Dude, you got actual about a foot waves coming in. He's up to his boots, and that's probably a foot right there. Yo, what is that down there?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Alright,